Alexa, my little girl, is the perfect daughter. She's bright and loving, intelligent, thoughtful, and of course, very beautiful.
Alexa, you are a woman of strength and spirit. You inspire me to always seek out the good, and you manifest everything positive in the universe. Above all else, you are undoubtedly loyal to my brother Anthony, and you two are a match made in heaven.
I have to say, I really got to experience firsthand how well they complement each other. Alexa likes to yell at Anthony, and Anthony likes to get yelled at by Alexa. They truly are the perfect match.
So Anthony, the crown you wore today was a crown that said, I will give my life for Alexandra. Not for yourself, not for anyone else in this marriage, but for her only. And if you're focused on her at all times, you'll be good. Alexandra, the same way for you. You have to release the desire to take care of yourself and take care of him. 100%. So make sure that those crowns you wore are the crowns that said we will care for one another.
You're married now. The possibilities are endless, and so are your dreams. Stick together and you'll realize both. You two are incredible.